Holy shit! It's the most intense landing ever. Oh, fuck. I didn't realize how strong the wind on the ground was. I looked at the ponds and it was really dirty. I guess it was, or maybe it was sheltered. I didn't see this wind, and I've been parked up there for about, seems like half an hour, probably only about 5 minutes, but I thought I was going to end up in the trees. I didn't want to go over the back and cop the road. I was way too low, and now there's a cloud. Oh man, so thankful. Down in one piece. I thought the battery was dead, so I didn't record the approach to the landing. And that was the most hectic landing I've ever had. I was trying to find lift, but as soon as I got to the hill, I started seeing the trees just shaking like crazy. So I knew I couldn't go over the back, and I turned around and I looked down, and it was showing 22, and I was going backwards. So I got on both steps of the speed bar and just hung out there for a long time. Then I realized there was a little ridge in front, which was probably causing me even more lift. So I moved over to the right and just hung out there for, seemed like ages. And my legs are shaking. That was pretty intense. Yeah, I thought for sure I was going to end up in the trees. No idea how strong it was down here. No wonder the clouds are all shredded. That one's fine. The wind up top wasn't too bad. Actually, now that I think about it, about a few k's out, I looked at my speed bar, my speed, and I was doing about 60 something. So it had picked up there as well. Just didn't notice. This was my near-death experience here. Yeah, near tree landing experience.